Yo guys, what is up? So I'll be showing you how to decompile Flash games. So first of all, you can download this software over here. It's called Flashpoint. This has the largest collection of Flash games. So go ahead and download this. And then once you've downloaded that, you can install this software as well. This is JPEG's decompiler. You can go to Releases, MSI installer for Windows, and then just follow the installation instructions from there. Once you've done that, you can open up Flashpoint, and this is what it should look like. So this has got all sorts of games on it, as you can see. I'll show you some of the ones I've got at the moment. So these are the ones I've installed over here. These are some of the games I used to play when I was a kid. Like Ben 10, Sumo Samurai, and Upgrade Space Battle. This is a really good one. So to simply install games, you just need to search for the game you're looking for, click on it, and then click download, and it'll download. If we go back to my games over here, you can see I can click on it, go over here, and click play because it's already installed. Now what you can do is you can open up Ffdec, the free Flash decompiler over here. Go into Settings, Advanced Settings, go to Paths, and you need to set up a Flash player. So what I've done is I'm using the Flash player inside the Flashpoint software. So we can go to the path over here, C Flashpoint/FB software/Flash. And you can see we have our Flash player, which is one of the, I think it's this one, Flash Player 19. The debugger should be here as well. Yeah, here it is. And I think that is the debugger file, which is this one, I believe. So you can simply copy this path to get the Flash player and add it in here, and you'll be able to run the game. When you're happy, you can just click OK. And that is your decompiler setup. Now to decompile the game, we first need to find the game itself. So we know from Flashpoint we can download the game. Then the game gets installed on our local system on this path over here, which is C Flashpoint data/games. And this is where all of the games get downloaded. Now what we can simply do is we can have a quick look at the games. So basically with Flash, the SWF file is used. So some games have got multiple SWF files that are larger, some only have one. But what we can simply do is copy one of the games we want to decompile, and then we can paste it on our desktop. We can create a separate folder for them. For me, I've just added them over here into this directory, but you can add them wherever you want. Now, let's say I want to decompile this game over here. I can go over to it, click all the directories, and it seems like the main file, the main SWF file is this one over here, bensamurai.swf. And then we can drag and drop it into our Ffdec decompiler, like so. And as you can see, we get a bunch of different directories from this file, such as shapes, which are all of the images, I'm guessing, from the game, all of the assets, morph shapes, sprites, as you can see. And to get the actual source code, we can go into scripts, I believe, and default package. And then here we get the source code. We can go into it deeper as well if we want, but at the moment this is just a basic demonstration. So let's say we want to edit something. This is game template main app. we can click this over here, and to edit it we need to click edit action script over here, because otherwise we can't really edit it any other way. So click edit action script, and now we have access to the code, and we can edit it, we can modify it, we can edit it however we want. At the moment I'm not going to do anything, but once we've done our changes we can click save over here, and then we can run our game. So basically I've already made one small change to this game, which I'll show you now. It's nothing major, it's not a code change, it's just a small change to the UI. So let this run. This is the game running, as you can see from the SWF file in the JPEG's decompiler. We have the game character running, jumping as normal. Now look at what happens when I press the down key. The color changes because I've changed the image of the trousers. So when the character is kneeling, it's turquoise now. This is just a very small example, but obviously you guys can make some bigger changes. And yeah, I just thought this is something you guys might enjoy. That's why I made this video. And this is something I was just interested in learning about. So yeah, I hope you guys found it useful.